In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to automatically empty your WordPress trash. When you delete a post or page, it's not deleted permanently, but instead it's stored in trash. When I go to my posts, you can see here I have an option called Trash. When you click on it, this is where all your deleted posts will be. You can delete them permanently from here. So, by default, the trash empties itself every 30 days. But today, I will show you how you can automatically empty your trash daily, weekly, or however many days you want. To do this, you need to add a code snippet in your wp-config.php file. So, first, log into your cPanel account. Then click on File Manager. Since I'm working on my subdomain, I'll open this folder. If you're working on your main domain, then open the folder called public_HTML. Double-click on the folder to open it. Look for the file called wp-config.php. Now right-click on the file, then click Edit. And this pop-up is nothing but a reminder to back up the file. So click on Edit again. Then at the bottom of the code, paste this snippet here. I'll link it in the description below. Change the 1 to 7 or however many days you want. If you don't like the trash feature at all, then you can always set the number to 0 and get rid of it entirely. Then click on Save Changes, and that's it. This is how you can automatically empty your WordPress trash. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.